Here I have this number 123 entered in three different ways. In the first case, it is a number. As you can see, it is aligned to the right of the cell. Numbers are always aligned to the right, while text gets aligned to the left of a cell. And in the other two cases, you can see these are text format because these are aligned to the left. Now, to convert all these three back into numbers, the first one is already a number, but to convert these two back into a number, there are two ways to do it. The first one is I would go here, the formatting box, and I would type general, and when I hit enter, the second one gets converted back into a number because in this case it was merely in the text format. But the third case is a little more difficult because it has been entered by using a leading apostrophe, and a lot of people do this. A lot of people enter numbers first starting with an apostrophe so that it gets converted into a text, and this could create some problems. For example, if I have this number 125 here, and if I check for a condition that this number is greater than 123, which it obviously is, so it should return a true. Now I would check this condition for all these cells. Let me lock the first cell. Now I would check it for all these three conditions for all these three cells, and you can see the first two are true, which is the right way, but the second one is false. The reason being that Excel always considered text to be greater than a number. So no matter how big your number is, if there is a text, that text would always be rated higher than a number. And in this case, you can see there is an apostrophe, so this is still a text even after changing the format. So to take care of this, let me delete this. To take care of this, a very foolproof method is type 1 in any of the blank cells, go to this cell and copy this. Now select these cells, go to paste special, and this opens the paste special dialog box. Here you have operation category. Within this, select multiply and click OK. So what this does is this multiplies this number with 1, and any number multiplied by 1 remains unchanged, but this also takes care of the apostrophe. So now all these three numbers get converted back into a number format.